This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to your YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Tesla's acceptance to Dogecoin. So without further ado, let's get started. Musk is one of the world's richest people and owner of several futuristic companies, including SpaceX and Neuralink. He has used his candid Twitter feed to give his opinion on cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, most times affecting their price. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has asked his Twitter followers if they want to see the firm accept Dogecoin, implying the electric vehicle company may soon add cryptocurrency as a payment option. Dogecoin has been in the spotlight lately, largely thanks to Elon Musk and his own enterprises. Days after the tech billionaire's aerospace firm SpaceX announced the use of Dogecoin to pay for a lunar satellite, Musk has now hinted at its potential use of buying a Tesla. A proponent of digital currencies, the Tesla Inc. or TSLA.O. chief executive made the comment as a guest host on the Saturday Night Live TV show this past weekend. Musk is one of the world's richest people and owner of several futuristic companies, including SpaceX and Neuralink. He has used his candid Twitter feed to give his opinion on cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, most times affecting their price. In March, Musk said US customers could purchase Tesla vehicles with Bitcoin, marking a significant step forward for the cryptocurrency's use in commerce. The electric car maker had bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin earlier this year, propelling its prices to record highs. Based on current prices, one would need nearly 80,000 Dogecoins or 0.7 Bitcoin to buy the cheapest Tesla Model 3 car. Taken to Twitter, Musk asked his followers if they would like to pay for Tesla with Dogecoins. For those unaware, Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that originated as a meme or a joke for the seriousness of the cryptocurrency industry. Based on a Japanese dog breed named Shiba Inu, it was created to build a vibrant community in the cryptocurrency world. Elon Musk is a longtime admirer of Dogecoin and has established himself as a very important part of this community. On Tuesday, Musk tweeted, "Do you want Tesla to accept Doge?" in the form of a Twitter poll. Among the yes or no options, more than 78% of respondents have recorded yes as the answer. If the Tesla CEO follows the public verdict and the example of his other firm's recent Dogecoin investment, there's a chance that you might just be able to buy a Tesla with Dogecoin soon. Dogecoin's price immediately shot up from 46 cents to 54 cents before falling back down to around 50 cents at the time of writing. It's not the first time Mr. Musk's tweets have caused the market to move, with similar spikes seen each time he appears to promote the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. When asked why he tweets so much about Dogecoin earlier this year, he said, quote, "I love dogs and memes." The limited supply of Bitcoin helps drive its value as the digital currency gradually gains acceptance for commercial transactions, whereas Dogecoin, which began as a social media joke in 2013 with a Shiba Inu dog as its avatar, has an unlimited supply and remains seldom used to make payments for goods. It's unclear what was driving the Dogecoin sell-off. Perhaps investors wanted Musk to say something more supportive of the cryptocurrency. But more likely, there was some buy the rumor, sell the news strategy, where traders buy an asset based on speculation in advance of an event and sell it after the event occurs. But before we dive deeper, like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now, or else Dogecoin will not accept your future investments with them. Don't want that to happen, right? So just keep on watching. Meanwhile, SpaceX and Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted in support of Bill Lee, the founding partner at West Coast Holdings and an investor in his companies, on November 24th. Lee tweeted that till the time the wallet keys are not in a user's possession, they should not consider the holdings as their own. Bill Lee retweeted My Doge CTO tweet. The core focus of the My Doge official vision is to break the dependence of CSXs like Binance and Robinhood and let SHIBs take custody of their own coins. With a quote, "Not your keys, not your crypto." To this Lee's tweet, Musk responded, "Exactly." On November 23rd, Elon Musk expressed his anger through Twitter to Binance Coin CEO Changpeng Zhao over the cryptocurrency exchange limiting withdrawals for Dogecoin. He tweeted, "Hey, CZ Binance, what's going on with your Doge customers? Sounds shady." Binance responded that they are reconstructing their Dogecoin wallet completely, resulting in a delay in withdrawals, and it may continue for another week. Recently, to launch the Doge 1 satellite into space, Tesla has partnered with Unizen, a smart crypto exchange ecosystem, and geometric energy consumption or GEC to fund this mission through Dogecoins. Musk claimed in March 2021 that he had never sold cryptocurrency stored in his portfolio, reported Reuters. Moreover, on multiple occasions, he urged Dogecoin owners to hold their coins as the Tesla CEO expects Dogecoin's value to shoot up to the moon. So, was Tesla secretly testing Dogecoin payments? There is a possibility that Tesla, an automobile giant, will start accepting payments in cryptocurrencies, and Doge is going to be one of them. This was revealed on Twitter when a user, after doing some personal research, examining Tesla's source code and initiating some Dogecoin transactions, came to this logical conclusion. As seen on Twitter, a user who dug around Tesla's source code noticed that a line contained a code for users to make their orders in Shiba. This informed the idea that Tesla is secretly testing its crypto payment system for Dogecoin under the codename Shiba. Given that Musk has severely thrown his weight behind Dogecoin and not Shiba Inu, its rival meme coin, it's perhaps safe to say that the Shiba name found on Tesla's source code refers to Dogecoin and not Shiba Inu as it seems. A Twitter user who uses the handle @TreeOfAlpha created a tweet in which he revealed his findings after doing some research into Tesla's website source code. After discovering the code, he went ahead to initiate a payment and was redirected to a Doge payment page. It's significant to note that Shiba Inu payments are not processed in that page. As part of an 8-part thread, a Twitter person going by the deal with @TreeOfAlpha revealed that the order with Shiba webpage works redirects right into a processing webpage when Doge funds are tried, however not SHIB. The tweets carried screenshots explaining that the Shiba title talked about on the Tesla webpage is definitely Dogecoin. The user claimed that upon examining the source code of Tesla, he discovered a payment feature whose title mimicked another meme coin, Shiba Inu. The payment feature carried a tag with Shiba. Another payment feature tagged Bitcoin was present, unsurprisingly. Musk had announced that Tesla would begin accepting payment in Bitcoin. The news sent excitement through the industry, but in May, Musk announced that Bitcoin payment would be suspended as Tesla's green energy policies were not aligned with the Bitcoin mining reliance on fossil energy. There has been no official announcement of Bitcoin payments resuming soon, and neither Tesla nor Elon Musk has come out to deny or confirm the alleged Shiba payment feature. Well, if Tesla says it will accept payments in Dogecoin, you'll have to transfer the number of Dogecoins equivalent to the price of the car, as per the market value of the cryptocurrency at the time. The operational sense of it can be guessed with Tesla's current acceptance of Bitcoins for Tesla. The US electric vehicle firm allows buyers to directly transfer Bitcoin from their crypto wallets to Tesla's account. The amount of Bitcoin depends on its current market value, and hence, a transaction should be executed within a short time period. Investors can expect the same with Dogecoin. That is, if Tesla ultimately allows Dogecoin payments. The cryptocurrency, however, has a negligible market value in comparison to others like Bitcoin. Hence, it might be a hefty amount of Dogecoin one has to pay for Tesla. Dogecoin has been in the spotlight lately, largely thanks to Elon Musk and his own enterprises. Days after the tech billionaire's aerospace firm SpaceX announced the use of Dogecoin to pay for a lunar satellite. Do you think Tesla gives the green light to Dogecoin payments? Let's know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.